Making ginger tea powder. I don't know why. What is the kind of sugar? The sugar, it is a plastic. So be careful. This is a ginger tea. I make ginger tea powder for the first time. You see? It's like a plastic. Be careful the sugar you brought outside in the store, in the market, because this is, you see, it's like a plastic. I don't know. So be careful buying sugar because the sugar is melted. It's like a plastic. Did you see that? It is a toxic. It's not good for the body. So be careful buying sugar. Brown sugar, brown sugar.
The result.
And the result is it is melted. It's like plastic. It's meal plastic. The sugar, you know the sugar, brown sugar. Okay. So be careful, everybody. Now it's a very careful for the buying for store brown sugar. It's not good for the body. It's toxic. It's like plastic. It smells plastic. You know the brown sugar. It smells plastic with it's toxic. It's like you see the brown sugar. Now it becomes black. I make ginger tea powder, and the result is like that. You see, it's like a plastic. It's not. It's not sugar, ginger powder. It's a plastic. You see that. So be careful buying sugar. This is a truth. It's a truth. It's a truth. It's a truth. So what shall we do? We throw it.